Hey, do you have a string trimmer, edger, or just a trimmer? You can save hundreds of dollars, buy a new machine every 2 years by ruling your own. Brings a whole new meaning to ruling your own. You can buy a 400-foot roll of .080 round line for around $14. You can buy a 3-pack of spools, $24. Do the math and see how many times you can actually roll your own. It's easy to do, saves you hundreds. First thing you got to do is cut yourself a piece. For this particular 13-inch model, I cut a 7-foot piece of round line. 2 little notches on either side here that you're going to squeeze in and push up. Pop the cap off. Inside is your spool. Pull that out. There's your gear part that's going to go towards the bottom. What you're going to do is you're going to re-spool this. There are arrows telling you which way to actually go. Take your line, pop that into the hole on the inside. Following the arrow, you're going to swing it around, and you're just going to keep rolling. You want to make sure you keep it tight. That allows the machine to auto feed a lot easier. And if you notice on the top side, you got these little notches. Once you have it rounded in, you clip this in like so. This allows you to put it in and keep it tight when you put it in. Find the hole, slide your line through. Make sure the gear side goes down. Put that on the spool. Pop that into place. Then you're going to take this and pop that out and pull. Now it's nice and tight. Take your cap, line it up with your 2 slots, put your cap back on, snap that in, and you're ready to go. Now you can get back to trimming, take that extra money, buy yourself an extra coffee, or save up, and you can buy yourself another Ryobi tool next year.